I'm going to show you how I made over $100,000 with multiple affiliate products. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing and how you can guarantee that you get paid every single month so you can quit your 9-to-5 job for good. Because I don't want you to make money with affiliate marketing just once. I want you to make predictable income with your affiliate marketing month after month after month. Now, throughout this whole video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can stack multiple affiliate products to make over 6 figures with affiliate marketing. And the most important part is how you can actually help your customer get the main core result that they want. So it's a win-win-win. You get paid as the affiliate company gets paid, and the customer gets the main result that they want. Now, real quick, I just want to show you a few of my income streams so you can see that I do this with multiple affiliate programs predictably. All right, guys, this is ClickFunnels right here. You can see that we've done over $81,000 and we're predictably making over $7,500 every single month, even if I don't do anything. Here's the next program here, guys. This is called GetResponse. As you can see, we're earning almost $2,000 every single month, and we've done almost $13,000 with this program. Here's product number 3. This is LearnNation. As you can see, over $20,000 with this program here. This is System.io. As you can see, over $1,300 pending, and I just started promoting this program not that long ago. I added this program to my ecosystem, which I'm going to show you in this video. All right, guys, here's a few more. This is Bluehost.com, $7,400 here. This is TubeBuddy. As you can see, $1,400 here, and we're exponentially growing. This is Jasper, which is a copywriting tool. This one I recently started promoting as well. I don't push it that hard. As you can see, we do about $100 to $200 a month here. And last one I want to show you guys, this is Kartra. As you can see, $44,000 in revenue and $16,000 in commissions. Now, I don't want to show you that to brag. I want to show you that this is totally possible. I actually started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019. I haven't been doing this very long, right? But I want to show you why I've been able to grow my online business, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job 9 months after I started my business. And that's because I was stacking multiple products on each other. But the most important part is I was doing it in a way that helps someone or a customer get the main core result that they wanted. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and quit your 9-to-5 job. So please, guys, subscribe to this channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single week. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can make money with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the skill that you need to literally build this ecosystem out so you can have multiple affiliate products paying you every single month. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can access some resources that's going to help you get started today and copy my exact same ecosystem that I just mentioned earlier. All right, before I show you this complete ecosystem and how you can promote multiple products, I want to make sure that you understand what affiliate marketing is. Now, this is the business model that helped me quit my 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. So I want to take a quick minute and explain what it is, okay? So basically, what we're doing is we're sending people to a product that you don't own, okay? Now, why is this the best business model? Because if you send someone to a product you don't own, that means you didn't have to create the product. You don't have to worry about the customer service, the fulfillment, because that's what bogs a lot of people down when they're building a business, right? The main problem is I don't have a product, right? Well, affiliate marketing solves that problem because now all we're doing is just sending someone to a product that we don't own, okay? So this is a product we don't own, and we get commission. That's literally it, okay? What I teach my students is I help them build this email list, right? Where they can now promote multiple products. And I'm gonna explain a little bit more later, but I just want you to understand affiliate marketing is very, very simple. All we're doing is promoting other people's products. Let me show you a quick example. So here's an example of the biggest website in the world, and that's Amazon.com. Now, you can actually become an affiliate of Amazon.com. If you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see here, become an affiliate, and you can become an affiliate of Amazon and make about 10% per product, right? So for example, so let's just say you want to sell this product. Obviously you didn't make it, you don't do the customer service. So what you would do is you would send a customer, right? You'd send a person to this product. And if they buy that product, you get paid. That's it. Very, very simple. Now, Amazon, as I mentioned, they pay about 10% commissions, which isn't that much, but I just want you to understand the concept, okay? Now, this business model is what helped me leave my 9-to-5 job and what helped me achieve financial freedom. So I want you just to understand what affiliate marketing is. Now, let's take it a step further, okay? How can we use this business model to make a lot more money, but more importantly, predictable income, okay? And I need you to understand this concept, okay? We're trying to get someone from point A to point B, okay? This is probably the most important part of what I'm about to teach you today, okay? So as an example, right? Let's just say someone is unhealthy and they want to get healthy, right? They want to go from point A to point B, okay? Now, obviously, there's a lot of things that go into that. How do we get them from point A to point B? And that's where you come in with the affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is how I've been able to make money with multiple products, okay? So we need to build out this map, okay? So that's what we want to do with this example here, okay? So I'm going to give you an example of this unhealthy person getting to healthy, okay? So basically what we're doing here is now we're building out this map, okay? Well, how do we get them from unhealthy to healthy, right? Well, maybe they need a fitness course, all right? That's the first thing they might need. Next thing, right? They're gonna need a gym membership, right? They need to work out. They need to start getting fit, okay? Step number 3, or the next thing is maybe they need supplements, right? Maybe they need protein. Maybe they need pre-workout, whatever it is, right? So next step, right? They need to eat healthy, right? Maybe a meal prep service, okay? Now, where do you come in, right? You go find a fitness course that has an affiliate program and you sign up, and then now you can make money as an affiliate, right? So for example, I'm going to do this on Google. If I put fitness course affiliate program, I can go see which programs already have a whole course, already have a whole training program. And me, I could just go sign up like that, right? I can just go find an affiliate program to sign up for, okay? Top 515 affiliate programs, fitness affiliate programs. I could literally go over here and ACE affiliate fitness program. Okay, cool. So let's just see here, 7% of sale. They pay out with PayPal. Cool. So now we can add this to our affiliate stacking ecosystem, right? We can go back and we can figure out, oh, okay. So now we found this. Check this out. Okay. Next one is a gym membership, then supplements, right? Meal prep. So we can check off all these things and figure out how can we get someone from point A to point B. So I want to show you exactly how I've built my affiliate stacking ecosystem, and more importantly, how you can replicate this and clone this for yourself. And this is going to help you make the most money possible with affiliate marketing in 2022, in 2023, and moving forward, because a lot of people in affiliate marketing just like to promote random products, okay? And that's not what I'm teaching you here. I'm teaching you how we could actually help a customer get to point A to point B. Now, my affiliate stacking ecosystem is helping 9-to-5ers leave their 9-to-5 job, right? So leave their job, okay? That's what I help them do, okay? That's the main core result that I help them do, right? Now I can build out my ecosystem, which I've done right here, okay? So this is my ecosystem right here. It looks a little complicated, but I want you guys to understand what I'm doing, okay? So it's the same thing that I mentioned is I have my main core offer here, okay? And in this case, it's basically a core program teaching someone how to build an online business so they can quit their 9-to-5 job, all right? With that, you need certain tools, right? Maybe you need a funnel builder. Maybe you need to build your email list, right? So you need an autoresponder, okay? Maybe you need to rank videos on YouTube, right? So maybe you need TubeBuddy. And these are all things that help you get that main core result, right? If we go back to this map right here, that's exactly what I'm doing, right? Is we're building out this map and figure out the products that we need to get someone from point A to point B. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. But the most important part is I'm now building my email list, okay? And this is where it becomes fun because now I can build this email list. And with this email list, I can now promote multiple products, okay? I can go and say, hey, well, you need to get this product here to build your business, right? You need to get this product here to help you build your email list, right? You need this product here so you can kind of just promote multiple products, but that makes sense to the customer, right? So the way I built this out though is by building your email list. And that's the most important part of the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because if you're not building that email list, then you're really not building an online business correctly. Now, obviously, once you have this ecosystem built out, now you can start sending customers to this page here where it builds your email list, okay? And once you build out this system here, this is the system right here, all we gotta do is focus on this, okay? And that's what I teach you inside my programs, inside my YouTube channel, is how do we get people to this ecosystem that's gonna make you monthly reoccurring commissions. Now, what I've done for my students is I've literally given them my exact ecosystem so they can copy and paste it and clone it as soon as today, okay? Because you can go and build this out yourself, but it takes time to go find the products, to figure out what exactly am I gonna do? How am I gonna write the emails? So what I've done is I've built a challenge that not only gives you the affiliate stacking ecosystem, but I actually teach it to you as well, okay? Because I'm a big believer in teaching skills over systems, right? But how about we add them both together, right? How about we give you the skills and we give you the system, that way you can get results as fast as possible. That way you don't need me in the future, right? Basically using this to start learning this, and then eventually you can do this on your own, okay? So what I want to do is I want to invite you to my challenge where I'm literally going to give you this system so you can start learning the skills, but start making money as fast as possible. And here's an example here where I actually give you this book where you could actually use it to build your email list, right? If we go back to the affiliate stacking ecosystem, you can actually use this book to build your email list here. So I actually give you that book, and more importantly, within this book here, I actually promote multiple products. Now, the cool thing is I actually let you leverage this book, leverage my authority, and I allow you to put your links inside this book, okay? So that's where it becomes extremely powerful. So if you're interested in leveraging my exact affiliate stacking ecosystem, if you're interested in quitting your 9-to-5 job, then I want to invite you to my challenge down below. It's going to be linked in the first link in the YouTube description down below, and that's going to give you access to this challenge where I'm going to teach you exactly how to get started, but more importantly, I'm going to give you the skills that you need to get started. Now, if this video was of any value at all, please comment freedom down below and let me know if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.